Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Thursday's session is setting up with inflation data delivering a nasty surprise. Producer prices surged 1.1% in May, absolutely crushing the 0.7% forecast. Core PPI doubled expectations at 0.8%. Year over year, we're looking at 6.5% headline PPI and 5.1% core, both significantly hotter than April. This marks the biggest back-to-back increases since 2022, keeping serious pressure on businesses navigating input costs. Initial jobless claims rose to 229,000 for the week ending June 6th, above the 220,000 forecast. Combined with the PPI blowout, this complicates the Fed's calculus ahead of next week's rate decision on June 17th. Tech is wobbling hard. The SPDR tech sector ETF officially hit correction territory Wednesday after a brutal week-long sell-off. Micron and Intel are the primary culprits dragging the sector lower. Nomura's cross-asset strategist is warning that concentrated AI leadership among big tech is preventing new market highs, suggesting investors are finally rotating away from the Magnificent Seven into software and mining stocks. The previous tech correction lasted 5 months and only ended 2 months ago, though analysts believe this pullback may be more technical than fundamental. Goldman Sachs is sounding alarm bells on AI capital expenditures. Consensus forecasts $920 billion in AI capex for 2027, which represents a deceleration to 22% growth from 84% in 2026. With AI stock valuations at post-ChatGPT launch highs, Goldman warns significant volatility is ahead. Friday brings the biggest IPO in history. SpaceX hits public markets with an unprecedented 30% retail allocation, far above the typical 10%. 5 major brokerages are distributing shares: Fidelity, E-Trade, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, and SoFi. Schwab notably won't penalize first-day sellers, though there's a catch. Investors are buzzing with questions about valuation and business model sustainability. Geopolitical tensions are escalating. President Trump announced Wednesday that the U.S. will strike Iran very hard again today, following Tuesday's self-defense strikes after Iran downed a U.S. Army Apache helicopter near Oman Monday. Trump claims the U.S. and Iran are really close to a nuclear deal, but accused Tehran of tapping us along and playing us for suckers. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. Check us out at capitalcopilot.io.